Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami snowflake out of normal paper, a 3D snowflake. I showed you guys in a previous video how to make a 3D Christmas tree. This time it's going to be a snowflake, because why not? So what you'll need is some paper, 6 sheets, but I've got 3, I'm just going to cut them in half, so I'll make like a small one. A stapler, which actually has staples in it. Okay, yes, I do. Okay, yeah, and the scissors, and you also need some tape. So first of all, if you have 6 sheets of paper, skip this step, but if you have 3 like me, just cut it right in half. So basically, you get all 3 of them. I've got 3. Get them perfectly neat. So they're like brown paper. Fold them in half. Make sure it's like really neat. Okay. And then just cut it in half like this. Yeah, okay. It's not the best thing ever, but I tried a little bit. So now you get like a piece of paper, they're rectangles now. So then if you should remember from the last video if you watched it, I showed you like how to make square piece of paper from a rectangle. So just do that 6 times. I'll show you again if you guys forgot. I'm just gonna go with this. So basically fold it like this, yeah. Then cut this excess off. Cut this off too. That's from my bad cutting. And there you have it, a square. And just repeat that enough times until you have 6 squares like this one. Okay, so when you have all of that done, cut up 6 square pieces of paper. Just fold them out like this. So yeah, you have 6 now. Now just fold them back into a triangle and fold them again. So they're like a smaller tree. Give me a second. Okay, wait, this is harder than... Okay, why is this not working? I think I've forgotten how to fold things. Okay, there we go. So now we're going to cut along over here. So then when you open it up, there'll be like strip here, strip, like there'll be like 4 strips of paper around it. But they have to be like joined up, as you'll see in a second. Oh yeah, make sure that like you cut it. So you see where there's like an opening here? Cut it, start cutting where there's an opening, so like this. You see there's this part. So along like this. Up until the edge, but don't cut it completely off. Do that again. And one more time. Now when you open it up, see this. Okay, so you should be able to fold the middle part over like this, and then you get your sellotape, and then, oh wow. Okay, how did that happen? Anyways, and then you just fold it right way. First, just get a bit of sellotape. Put it on your finger. Roll it up. Place the sellotape down. So it sticks like that. Now turn it over. Get the next strip and do the same. Let's get a bit of sellotape. And just keep doing it. Now flip it over again, back to where you started. Do the exact same with the next strip. Give me a second. And flip it over once more. You do that one more time with the last strip right here. And there you go, you should have something that looks like this. Kind of. Yeah. And just do that with the other 6. So just cut right to that. Okay, so now you have like 6 of these. It's time to put them together to make a snowflake. Okay, so take the first 2, so like, see how this side is a bit bigger than this side, so you put the small side next to the bigger side. Put them together like this. Get your stapler. Staple them together, so yeah, you put this corner over here. Line them up like this, and then staple it. If you want, you can do them all at once, but it's easier to do them like this. So then, got them like this. Get the bigger side, line them up. You know, it actually doesn't really matter which way you do it. But I like doing it like this. I'm just gonna make it a bit quicker and put them all together and staple them all at once. Oh, sorry. Staple them all. Good. You should have something that looks like this. Now you see where like these 2 are connected, they're not together. So just put them next to each other. See this part where they connect up here? Put them together. Staple right there. So it's like this. So these 2 won't be coming apart. Do the same with the others. And put it like this. And the last one. Oh no, this one more. Right now. Now you staple them together so they won't be coming apart. Now you've got a massive origami. Dang, I keep hitting the camera. Massive origami snowflake. This was half the size. This is only half the size of what it should be. And it's still massive. Look at my hand compared to it. My hands are big and like, look at that. So guys, hope this helped you. I mean, I think by the time I like edit this, it's gonna be like 2 days until Christmas. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Hope you like, if you followed along making the decorations, or maybe